Dear students, in this video we will learn to find the median of the data given. The data might be given in different forms. So first case we will say when the data is a few numbers are given, a finite number given x1, x2, x3, say xn, some numbers are given. Now actually what is the meaning of median? Median means the middlemost data. When all these given numbers are arranged either in an increasing or decreasing order of their magnitude, then what number lies in the middlemost position is the median. Okay, so what we are trying to do, two things. First, we are arranging the data in increasing or decreasing order. And then we are trying to find the middlemost. In the arranged data, we are trying to find middlemost data. Okay. Now, which data will be the middle data? That depends upon the total number of the data. Okay. If so we have n observations or n data, n observations are given to us. So middlemost data depends upon this n. If n is odd means then we have odd numbers, so we can leave equal number of data on both the sides, and the middlemost data we can find, that is, if n is odd, then median is equal to, here we write, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th data or observation, n plus 1 by 2th observation. That will become our median. And if n is even, now you can see when even, then you can't find one middlemost data, you will get two numbers. You find two middlemost numbers and then find the average of those two numbers. So when n is even, median is equal to, so what is the half? See, when n is even, so n by 2 is half of the, from the first you start counting, n by 2th data will be the half of that, half data completed. On the other side again there are half of the data, but from both the groups, the means this n by 2 and the next number, both will be the middlemost data. So n by 2th data you find out observation, and also you have to find out n by 2 plus 1th observation, and then you add those two and divide by 2. That will give you the median. Now I'll explain this with the help of the observer. This was already done in class 10. Okay, so we will just it's a revision. Okay. I'm repeating. I'm showing this with one example. Say the data, first time I'm taking number of observations is odd. Say 7, 11, 9, 6, 5, 4, 8. So it is number of observation is 7. So first you write n is equal to 7, counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is odd actually. You write this odd. Then you arrange the given numbers in the increasing or decreasing order. So what is the smallest number? 4. So arranged data, you can write arranged data or arranged observations. So when you are writing arranged observations, you are either writing them in increasing order or decreasing order. I am writing in increasing order. 4, then next one is 5, then next bigger number is 6, next bigger number is 8, next one is 7. So you have to do it very carefully. 8 and then 9 and then 11. Now you have to find the middlemost data here. So for that, n, when n is odd, median is equal to n by n plus 1 by 2, है ना, n plus 1 by 2th observation. So n, what is n? 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2, 2th observation. So 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4th observation. So what is the 4th observation count in the arranged observation? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That you can mark like this, and this becomes our median. 4th observation is 7. Now another example I'm taking when the data, okay, I'm rubbing this. I'll rub this, and then I'll take one example where the number of observations is even. Okay. Find the median of 1, 7, 11, 17, 29, 13, 11, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and say one more number I'm writing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now you see n is equal to 8. Okay, now arrange the numbers in the increasing order. Arranged, increasing order. So when you arrange it, see, first number is 1, next number is 7, next is 11, next is again 11, then next is 13, again next is 13, next number is 17, and then last is 29. So after arranging, you count once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should count it and confirm if you have missed out any number, or if you are writing any number twice more than whatever is given. So to cross check that counting, and then you have to write the median. Now here the number 8 is even. So in case of even, median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. So n is 8, so when we put n is equal to 8, 8 by 2 is 4th observation plus 4 plus 1, 5th observation by 2. So now you see this array increasing order 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 and the 5th, these two. So we will take these two and substitute here. So 11 plus 13 by 2 is equal to 24 by 2, and you get it is equal to 12. So the median of this observation is 12. So in this way we are finding the middlemost observation. So see, in between these two are the middlemost observation, and if there are two, we find the average of these two. So 11 plus 13 by 2 is 12. Understood? Is it clear to all of you? Now when sometimes the observation is given in the form of a table. Now it was given as a list. So sometimes the observation is given in the form of a table. So we are given the observation and its frequency. Okay, or you can write it like x and frequency. Like this, if it is given, say 6, 9, 11, 13, 15, and their frequency is given as 1, then 7, 11, 8, 4. Oh, something is. Let us see what is the total. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. Okay, let us make it 10. This is 4. So 1, 7, 10, 8, 4. Now what we do first time, you have to see, you have to count this. First, one more thing you observe, whether these numbers are given in the increasing order or not. If not given, then you arrange it in the increasing order or decreasing order. If it is given in increasing order, then no problem, no change is required. But if it is not in the arranged order, either in increasing or in decreasing, then we have to rewrite it. Once you do that, after that we find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means find the frequency of the first one. First one is 1, so write that only. For the cumulative frequency 9 means how many numbers are covered when you are covering 6 and 9. So 1 plus 7, 8. Okay, up to 9 all the numbers, if you count you will get 8. Then next you have up to 11. So there are 10 times 11. So you write at 8 plus 10 is 18. So you know how to find the cumulative frequency. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 4 is 30. So if you find the sum of these, that will be equal to the cumulative frequency of the last data. Understood? Now after this, this 30 gives us n. This total n is 30. So it is a number of the data, number of the observations. So n is even. So in this case, our median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. So n is 30, so 30 by 2 is 15th observation plus 16th observation by 2. Now how to get this 15th and 16th observation from here? Now you have to see the cumulative frequency. See, after 8, it is up to 18, all numbers are 11. So it means our 15th observation is also 11. And 16th is also less than 18. So it means 16th observation is also 11. So when you find the average of these two, you will get 11. It is actually 22 by 2. So you get 11. So the median of this data is 11. So when you have n is odd, that time we will get only one observation as the middlemost data, that is n plus 1 by 2 directly, and you can see that cumulative frequency where this number comes, 15 or 16 or sometimes it is only one number. So in the cumulative frequency, because this cumulative frequency helps us to count the number from the beginning. So 18, after 8 and up to 18 all numbers are 11. After 6 and up 9, so 9, how many 9s are there? 7. So what is the total number of observation up to 9 is 8. So that is only this cumulative frequency is helping us to calculate the to find the number at that position. Clear? So this is how we find the median. So for odd numbers also you can do in the same way. So you have to understand the way of counting the numbers from the beginning. Clear? Okay. Now if the observation is given as a grouped frequency table, okay, if the grouped frequency table is given, say class is given and then your frequency is given, so in that case how to find the median? So first let me write the formula. Okay, so what we do actually, median of grouped frequency table. Group frequency table means classes are given and frequency. Here one number was given, so it was easy to find the number. But when class is given, which number will take in that graph, in that class? So there is a different formula to find the median of the group frequency table. So in this case, what we do, first you find you check whether the classes are given in the increasing or decreasing order or not. Generally they are given in the increasing or decreasing order only. So once it is in increasing order, frequency is given to you. You find out the cumulative frequency of all the classes. Once you get the cumulative frequency of all the classes, then you see if n total number of observation is, say, odd, say even, in that case you find out n by 2. Okay, if n is odd, then you find out n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this one is to see, to check. This will help us to find the which class is our middlemost class. This will give us the we have to count the class where this number lies, means our middlemost data lies in which class. That will help. So you find out this number, see the cumulative frequency, find out the respective class. That class is known as median class. That is known as median class. Now the formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C upon F. This C actually is capital C, cumulative frequency, into this. I'll write I. This is the class size. I is the class size. Okay. Now, what are the meaning? Where small l is the lower limit of median class, of the median class. N is sum of all the frequencies, sum of all frequencies. That means the total number of observations. And this C is the cumulative frequency of the previous class. C is equal to cumulative frequency of previous class, and F is equal to the frequency of the median class, and I is the class size. Okay, in the book they have used I. In place of this I, they have used small c. Small c. So that small c and big C, capital C, can create some confusion. So you change the symbol. Okay. Okay. Now I'll take one example. To show the how to calculate the median of the grouped frequency table. Okay. So here you see, I'm taking one example only from the book. Say class and frequency. Class is given as 2.5 to 3.5 and the frequency is 7. It is 3.5 to 4.5 and the frequency is 31. For 4.5 to 5.5 the frequency is 31. And the frequency of the next class is 33, and from 5.5 to 6.5 the frequency is 17, and then 6.5 to 7.5 the frequency is 11, and from 7.5 to 8.5 the frequency is 1. Now first you add all these and get what is the sum of these. That becomes the value of n. So what is the sum? You add all these. What is this total sum? Check it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 8 and 6, 11, 11 and 7, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 6, 10. So n is 100. N is even. N is even. Huh? So now you find out cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency will be 7, 7 plus 31, 38, 38 plus 33, 71, 71 plus 17 is 88, 88 plus 11 is 99, 99 plus 1 is 100. These two are same, so it means our cumulative frequency calculation is correct. Now, what is n by 2? N is even, so find out n by 2. N by 2 is equal to 50. So you see where 50 is covered. Here it is up to 7, here 38, up to 38 covered. So 50 is less than 71. So this class. So this is the median class. This class is the median class. So from this median class, if lower limit is 4.5. So here you can write all the information. L is 4.5. What is the value of n? N is already given 100, and C, capital C, is the cumulative frequency of the class previous to the median class. So that is 38. And what is the value of the small f? Small f, the frequency of the same class. Frequency of the median class. So frequency of the median class is 33. And I is the class size. Class size means upper limit minus lower limit. If it is a continuous class, the upper limit minus lower limit. If it is discontinuous class, then upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. So it is I is 1 only. Now we substitute the values in this formula to get the median. So median, you write the formula L plus n by 2 minus C upon F into iota. It's class size I. Now you substitute. L is 4.5. N by 2 is 50. C is 38. By F is 33. I is 1. Now you simplify this. So this is 1 only. So 50 minus 38 is 12. 12 by 33. You can use the calculator. So you will get the value. It is equal to it will be equal to into 1. So if you do the calculations, you will get, I'm just doing one step and directly writing the answer. See, you can use the calculator. 4.5 plus 50 minus 38 is 12 by 33. So you can cancel by 3. So 4.5 plus 4 by 11. So using the calculator, divide this and then add 4.5, you will get the value as 4.86. So you round it up to 2 decimal places. You might get, because it is dividing by 11. So it is you will get more digits. It will not terminate after 2 digits, but you take the 2 digits and round it off actually. So if it is next digit is more than 5, you increase this digit by 1, and then this will give you the median of the given data. Clear? When n is odd, sometimes n is odd, then instead of n by 2 we will calculate n plus 1 by 2, and then that will help everywhere. Here also we will write, in the formula also we will write n plus 1 by 2. When it is odd, when it is even, it is n by 2. Then you substitute and then calculate. So this is how we are finding the median u of the grouped frequency table using this formula. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, so do the practice of finding the median of the grouped frequency table using this formula. Thank you.